Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of Coding Kids. This episode is particularly important because we're gonna set up everything that we're gonna have to have set up to do our coding. So, we're gonna download our text editor. We're also gonna create our first folder, which is gonna have the files necessary for us to start our coding. So, let's get to it. We're just on a Mac computer, but you can follow along if you're on a PC. And the first thing we want to do is get up onto a browser. I'm using Chrome. I'm just going to open it. And I want you to use the text editor I'm using so that when you're following my classes, it all looks the same. And the text editor is called Sublime Text Editor. And you can just type that in your search, press enter, and there we go. I think it's always going to be the top one, and you can just click on the first link, and it'll probably detect what computer you're on. So I'm on a Mac, so it says download for Mac. For you, it'll probably say download for PC if you're on a PC. Um, Maybe you just click on download over here, and then you even get all the options. If you're on a Mac, it'll even highlight that you're on a Mac, and you can click on this. If you're on a PC, it'll probably highlight this third one here, which is Windows 64-bit, and that's most likely the one that you want to use. Yeah, so I'm going to go through the Mac installation, and it's going to be the same for the PC. We can just click here, and it'll start downloading, and for a Mac, it's a .dmg file. I think for a PC, it's .exe, or it might be something slightly different. But either way, just once it's downloaded, you can click on it. I don't think I'm going to download it since I already installed it because I already have it. So here on a Mac, you can simply just go over and put into your applications. For a PC, I believe a screen will come up and you can just follow the instructions. It's just a general install wizard. Just keep clicking through and installing it. Don't change any of the settings. They set the settings to be recommended. And yeah, once you've installed it all on a Mac, you'll have it in your bar at the bottom or in your applications somewhere. And on your PC, you can press the Windows button and you can even search for it. That's basically it. That's all I want you to do is download Sublime Text Editor. And I think the version is 3 right now. So with that said and done, let's set up our first folder, which is going to represent our first website. I've already got a folder up here, but I can start a new one, a new folder, and on a PC, just do the same thing. I'm just putting it on my desktop. And I'm going to put example website. Westbyte. Nicely done. Example website. I think I got it right that time. So you can click on your Sublime Text Editor. It should come up and it should just be in a blank screen like this. Really, really like nothing to it, whether you're on a PC or a Mac. And then all you have to do is just drag that folder onto it. And once it's dragged on, you got the folder up in the top left-hand corner. So let's create the 3 files that we're going to need. And the next episode, I'll explain what those 3 files represent. And we'll probably have to do some basic stuff to those files. So the 3 files are going to be the 3 languages that we're learning on Coding Kids. So you can right-click and put New File. And a new untitled file will come up. And if you're on a PC, press Control S. And if you're on a Mac, press Command S. So Command S. And I get this. And the first file we want to create is our index.html. And that's our HTML file. Our first HTML file is always going to be index.html. New file, right click, new file, Command S. And the next file is going to be main.css. Although it's not required to be called main.css, this is just a very normal name to call your first CSS folder. And again, if you don't know what HTML and CSS and next is going to be JavaScript are, don't worry about it. These are things that you will learn through the videos. Okay, right click, new file. Let's save that out again. And let's do start start.js. Again, it doesn't have to be called this, but it is a very normal name to call your first JavaScript file. Save. And there we go. We have our first 3 files. If I was to open up our example website, you can see the first 3 files are here. And to open up our actual website, we can just double click on index.html, and here is our website. There's absolutely nothing on it, and the default background is white, so that's why your screen is white. So let's bring it back here. 1, 2, 3 files with nothing on them, but this is the start of all of our projects and how we're going to work. So please download Sublime Text Editor, create your folder, drag it onto Sublime Text, create the 3 files, index.html, main.css, start.js. Once those files are created, you can move on to the next video. All right, thanks for listening to Coding Kids. I'll see you next episode. See ya!